kwesesibili isiqephu sika Be Ready With Me. Dumelang sanibonani yabshe. This is giving Velaphi Mjongeni no beauty. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Sanibonani. Welcome. Welcome to my Be Ready With Me, guys. I enjoyed this video, editing this video, the outfit, everything, the vibe. Loved it very much. Lona ke igama lakhe usane bamazi ngokuthi uQueen Qadi. Uze lana ke uzokhangisa ngezinto azigqibile. So, inspiration yale outfit. So this top is from another. It's a two-piece. Like I said, mina mengne crop top bag. There's one crop top that I bought out of the green and the purple. But the rest of them, it's because asuge ma two-piece. So, because ngizama creative, I try and mix things up, and this worked out. I just saw it in my head. I was like, oh my god, it's gonna work out. And it did.
It's not that. It's not giving Monday.
Kontezayo. Today I go show you my talent. Please, babe.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those are the 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, I like this. Those are the 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Ooh, those are the 7 days of the week. Good Monday. Looks like it's not gonna work. Should I force it or should I leave it? Oh, I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do because I can't put this all the way up here. I feel like it's already up all the way. I don't know what to do. Ooh, will I be able to do this all day? I don't think so. Look at the back. I think I can't go back. Should I put it up and at the back? Should I put it up even at the back? Oh, it still doesn't work. But I can't because I'm not taking off anything. Yeah, I'll do it. Not this shoe's working. I don't know where it's working.
Oh, guys, wait. Naki gifted, Shem. Naki talented. What do you mean? Did you hear that? Thanks. I'm clapping for myself right now using my thumb and my index finger. Like, yes, girl, yes.
If I was that girl.
Now, my problem with this outfit was the fact that a crop top was really cropping. I understand? And as much as very black in her pants, I just wished, so the belt was helping. I didn't plan to wear the belt, but it was helping ukuthi ibambe. Ayingasangitsinile ibhande ke sana ke. But ke ayingaphusha nje usuku lo ngayitshela nje ukuthi ngiyolokhe ngidonsa nje ngicover lo black yabo. It's not like in stuff, understand it. But this outfit is really, really, really nice. Asengicabanga ukushintsha la kodwa ukujuluka nokukhatha nokhefuzele ngase ngiyikona because of this outfit. Phela le skirt ibo futhi angayixoxa indaba yaso. Mara, it's nice though. I don't like how this black ivela ngakhona. Mara ithombeni ivele sharp. Angehlisa nje usuku lonke bandla ngazitshela ukuthi cha ngizowehlisa ngenza kwethu nje kube mnandi ezweni. I understand ngithini because no one forced me to wear this. No one forced me. So I told myself, see, girl, you can do it.
My favorite earrings These are my favorite earrings ever. And the top, I think bengagqokile futhi last week. Yes, last week.
Bengithanda into mina nginokuyi-abuse nyana yabo njengamacici hayi abantu bakithi hey isho izinto amacici yabo. I love these earrings. There's a look, man. There's a way they make me feel, man. Yabo. Also the color. I think they're pink, but they're giving more of purple, like the top that I'm wearing. I understand. Yes, I sing a lot when I'm alone. I sing things that I am thinking about. Nje, and it's nice. I enjoy it because ingenza ngibe creative. Did you hear that thing, Leia? Eti, kanje bengithini? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Mara, get talented, Mos. Today I go show you my talent. Hey, ngizama ukwenza lento ya Beyonce. Bengabe ibhande lahlala iburi manje. Sibili samajuda. Yeah, I enjoy it, guys. As like, I genuinely enjoy myself. Yo, ngayingcolisa top yami by spraying ilona perfume yona. Na amaphilisi ami asethathe thithatho. Ay lipstick kodwa ke.
Ahiho. Bathi ngihlahla ngijudge. Angikwazi ngikhala izinto bakithi. Angazi idebishike.
Ngizofunda ukufaka i-makeup very soon. I have someone who's willing to teach me. What I'm waiting for is the willingness, but there's someone who's willing to teach me. I just need the willingness from me to learn because, wow. What a wow. But I'll learn. Kadlala.
If they were glossy, then it worked. Man, what if I must mix one day?
I've actually stopped using these Lama lipstick because Bangane babe kahle yazini. So it's just like no. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I know you enjoyed. I know you did. Goodbye. Good night. Let me see you. Let me see you. Walk up here, girl. How? Let me see you walk. What a gorgeous girl. Thanks. Oh, Lord Jesus.